Hi guys, it's Darkydarkv coming with you with another video. Today I am gonna post this video about being maybe part of the whole YouTube community. It may be a little bit part-time as I'm already working right now. I have a 6-month-old that I need to take care of at the moment. But I'm gonna try to post maybe daily videos, if I can, when I have the time. Otherwise, if not, I'm pretty much babysitting, and these kids can be a handful, especially the 2-year-old who is about to turn 3, by the way, and he's my cousin's little boy. Yeah, handful, hypergenic, likes to run around. Yeah, but yeah, just thought I would record and post a video. Maybe some of my videos may contain, I don't know, a little bit of ASMR, because I do like to watch those kind of videos. I'm not quite sure. I might add a little bit here and there, but it's not going to be like a everyday thing. I mean, I know there's some people out there that like it. They enjoy it, whatever. If you want to see some, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, yeah, I'm just gonna be trying to post videos of what I can. Maybe some product reviews. I've already did an influencer. I already posted a video about that. So if you want to give that a look, you can. Influencer is pretty much like a website where you can you create your own account, you can earn badges, do reviews, post makeup reviews. Sometimes they have campaigns that you can participate in, those sorts of fun things. And they do have their Vox box thing that they do normally, and usually I think you take like a survey. They'll email you and let you know if you're going to be part of the ones that gets the box. So you pretty much take a survey that they send you, and then they debate if they're going to send you one or not. And when they do, they will email you. They'll email you to let you know. You just give them your address, whatever. It's all free products. You don't have to pay for shipping, none of that. It's all good. I used to get them before, like maybe 2, 3 of them. I can't quite remember. But this one was the Love, Beauty, and Planet. Like I said, it's posted in my YouTube channel if you guys want to check that out. My Twitter page, twitter.com/darkydark, well, not darkydark, excuse me. It's demonic child with an _11. If you want to go and check that out, there's not much there yet. I only have 7 followers. I'm not trying to ask for followers. If you want to follow me on Twitter, you can. That's up to you. I might make another Facebook page that allows you to follow me on that page. So try to keep a lookout for that. Excuse the noise. That was a 2-year-old. It just came out of nowhere. But yeah. Just let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I mean, I could try and do some makeup ones, maybe. Depends on the time of day and if I'm not distracted by kids like that or my little 6-month-old. I can't guarantee you it'll be the best videos, but I will give it a try. I'll give it a try. Just, yeah. Excuse my awkwardness. I'm not used to this kind of thing, and I'm using my phone to record these videos. Yeah. But once everything's settled in, I will try to get a decent sized camera for you guys. Lighting, I could try my best with the whole lighting thing, because I know a lot of people say, oh, you gotta have good lighting, good editing skills. If you want to try to make it to YouTube, you know, be a full-time YouTuber, things like that. I do go and watch those kind of videos. So yeah, if you would like to give this video a like, go on ahead. There's a subscribe button. If you want to subscribe to my channel, like I said, I will try to post what I can. Just let me know what kind of ideas you guys would like to see, as far as video-wise, because I know there's a lot of things that are trending, which I don't know much about what's all trending. I have not looked since, but I guarantee you I will try and do stuff like that. So like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter. Like I said, I will try to make a Facebook page where you can follow that. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon and hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye!